Here's how to install, set up, and customize the Lightbox Anything plugin. Once you've unzipped the plugin folder, inside you will find an instructions.html file. Open that up, and that will tell you all you need to do to get this set up. So the first step is to upload our two plugin files that are included. And to do that, we're going to go to our Squarespace website, and where it says not linked, click on the plus icon, scroll down to link, click on the gear icon, click file, and from here we can now upload the two plugin files. So I've already done it, but what I would do is I would just drag and drop that here. And then I'll drag and drop the other file here as well. Once you've done that, click close, close. And then now you can click copy code here and navigate to the code injection by scrolling all the way down to utilities, clicking website tools, and then code injection. And here where it says footer, we can now paste our plugin code. So once we've done that, we're now ready to Lightbox anything. And for this demonstration, I'm going to Lightbox a page. So there are different content sources that we can Lightbox: pages, blocks, section IDs, external links, and video links. But I'm going to start with a page. And the URL format that I'm going to use is hashtag Lightbox _ page URL. So for the page that I'm going to Lightbox, I'm going to use this page called menu, and the URL is menu. So to open this in a Lightbox here, I'm going to open this button and change the link to hashtag or pound Lightbox _ menu. So now if I click on this link or click on this button, I should see my Lightbox. And if I want to customize this Lightbox, which I've already customized it a bit, I can scroll down here and I can change these different settings. So let's say I don't like so much padding. Maybe I want only 10 pixels here. And maybe I don't want the background color to be black. Maybe I want it to be white. And maybe I don't want any border radius. Okay. So now I can click custom CSS, and that will copy those styles to my clipboard so that I can go back to my utility website tools, click on custom CSS, and I'm going to replace the plugin, the custom CSS that I previously had with what I've just created now. And now when I open up this Lightbox, before I do that, I'm going to change the background on this page as well so that this is going to be white. Okay, cool. Oops. I got a little bit click happy there. Okay. Save. Exit. And now when I click on my button here, I have my restyled Lightbox. Now, in the next video, I will show you how to, or what happens when you customize some of these other elements here, as well as how to set up different content sources.